Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to fix the fill light flickering on the GoPro Fluid Pro AI. So if your fill light, which is this thing right here, is flickering, there are a few things that you can check to fix it. So the first issue would be the battery of this thing. So if we turn it around, as you can see, sometimes it may overheat, which is a notification that I'm receiving right now. So what you should really do is either unplug this part right here, or just turn off the whole gimbal by holding the button to actually let it cool down. And once it's cooled down, just check out the light again and see if that helps. And another thing that also might not be perfect for this thing is if it's low on battery. So if it's below 10% battery, it usually tends to start flickering. So make sure you charge it by using this port on the back, and then come back and check if it actually helps. And that is pretty much it for this video. So thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.